Everyone, welcome to DN Education Vlog. Today we are going to know about some medicinal plants. Tulsi plant, scientific name Ocimum sanctum, family Lamiaceae. Medicinal properties or uses. Tulsi can cure fever. It is used to treat insect bites. Tulsi can prevent hair fall. Tulsi leaves have antibacterial and antifungal properties. It is also helpful in respiratory tract. Neem, scientific name Azadirachta indica, family Meliaceae. Medicinal properties or uses. Boost immune system, protects teeth and gums, act as a shield against dandruff, lightens skin pigmentation and removes acne, regulates diabetes. Aloe vera, scientific name Aloe barbadensis Miller, family Liliaceae. Medicinal properties or uses. Aloe vera gel is widely known to relieve sunburn and help heal wounds, improve digestive health, treat insect bites, promotes hair growth, act as a moisturizer. Mint, scientific name Mentha arvensis, family Lamiaceae. Medicinal properties and uses. It is very useful for boosting digestion. Consuming mint improves brain power. It cures headache and nausea. Mint helps to clear congestion of the nose, throat, bronchi and lungs. It inhibits bacterial growth inside the mouth and cleanses the plaque deposition on teeth. Vetiver, scientific name Chrysopogon sisonioides, family Poaceae. Medicinal properties or uses. Vetiver oil is good for cleaning and dressing infected wounds. Inhalation of vetiver oil in boiling water is good for curing fever and respiratory diseases. It purifies blood, removes body odor and excessive sweating. Massaging with oil relieves body pain. Bed made up of vetiver roots can be used for patients suffering from rheumatism and back pain. Calotropis, scientific name Calotropis procera, family Apocynaceae. Medicinal properties or uses. Calotropis is used for digestive disorders. The leaves are used for the treatment of asthma. The latex is used for treating ringworm, guinea worm and ophthalmic disorders. The extremely poisonous roots are used in the treatment of snake bites. An infusion of bark powder is used in the treatment and cure leprosy and elephantiasis. Malabar nut, scientific name Adathoda versica, family Acanthaceae. Medicinal properties or uses. The leaves are rich in vitamin C, helping in the relief of cold and cough. It is effectively curing bleeding such as those caused by piles, ulcers, etc. It purifies blood. It is used to increase blood platelets count in victims of snake bites. This plant is used as a mild laxative and sedative. Cycarped, scientific name, Biophytum sensitivum, family, Oxidaceae. Medicinal properties or uses. It is an effective medicine for treating diarrhea. Decoction of leaves is used for diabetes and asthma. It is also used for treating heavy bleeding seen in women. It is a good medicinal herb to clean the uterus after delivery. It is very effective to heal wounds. Stonebreaker. Scientific name Phyllanthus neruri. Family Phyllanthaceae. Medicinal properties or uses. It is used to treat high blood pressure. It is a very effective medicine for kidney stone. It promotes hair growth. This plant is used for treating jaundice, viral and bacterial infections affecting the liver. The fruit of this plant are useful in relieving wounds, ulcers and ringworm infection. Leucas. Scientific name Leucas aspera. Family Lamiaceae. Medicinal properties or uses. The leaf sap is used to treat sores of the eyes and nose. The leaves used to treat mild fever, cold and snake bites. The smoke of dried leaves is used as an insecticide and repellent. It is used against the worms in stomach. It is a good medicine to cure piles by external application. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you for watching.